UN chief call for de-escalation of Senegal violence. Coalition forces intercepted, destroyed 2 bomb-laden Houthi drones targeting Saudi Arabia. In Somalia, at least 20 people were killed and 30 wounded by a suicide car bomb. In Syria, 4 people were killed and 24 others sustained serious injuries due to missile strike. The UN Security Council meeting over the Myanmar situation has concluded without any consensus. Indian farmer block highway outside New Delhi to mark 100 days of protest. Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan win the vote of confidence from the National Assembly today. Abu Dhabi to reopen cinemas with reduced capacity. Dubai bans cafes offering drinks in baby bottles.